Looking for a kitchen appliance that can whip up a hearty breakfast or grill your favorite meats effortlessly? Look no further than the Bella Griddle with copper ceramic titanium coating. With its remarkable features, this griddle offers convenience, energy efficiency, and easy cleaning, making it a must-have for every home cook. Imagine having the power to cook virtually anything you would normally prepare on a stove, but with less energy consumption. The Bella Griddle with copper ceramic titanium coating revolutionizes your cooking experience with its versatile temperature control and highly durable non-stick surface. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills with this game-changing kitchen appliance. Here are the key features of Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. Efficient and eco-friendly, say goodbye to excessive energy usage. The Bella Griddle features a 1,500-watt heating system that allows you to go from keep warm to 400 degrees, giving you precise temperature control and the ability to cook a wide range of dishes. Not only does it save you time and effort, but it also uses less energy compared to traditional stovetop cooking methods. Durable and speedy cooking. Experience the unmatched durability and efficiency of the unique ceramic non-stick coating with copper titanium infusion. This innovative coating is 8 times more durable than standard non-stick coatings, ensuring longevity and exceptional performance. The advanced technology also enables faster cooking, allowing you to prepare meals in a fraction of the time. Healthy and safe cooking. Ensure the well-being of your family with the Bella Griddle's healthy eco coating. This non-stick surface is free from harmful chemicals like lead and cadmium, providing a safe cooking environment for you and your loved ones. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your meals are prepared on a true non-stick surface that promotes healthy cooking. Convenient and easy to clean. Simplify your post-cooking routine with the Bella Griddle's user-friendly design. The removable probe with an easy-to-use dial allows for precise temperature adjustments, ensuring optimal cooking results. When it's time to clean up, rest easy knowing that the griddle is fully immersible in water. Just toss the cooking plate into the sink for effortless cleaning, making your life in the kitchen a breeze. A complete kitchen solution. Bella understands the importance of having reliable kitchen appliances. That's why they offer a full range of high-quality products to meet your culinary needs. From air fryers to espresso machines, Bella has you covered with their extensive selection of kitchen essentials. Experience the joy of cooking with trusted tools that simplify your busy life. Conclusion. Elevate your cooking experience with the Bella Griddle with copper ceramic titanium coating. Its energy efficiency, durable non-stick surface, and easy cleaning make it an indispensable kitchen companion. Embrace the versatility and convenience it offers, and enjoy the pleasure of preparing delicious meals for your family and friends. With Bella, cooking becomes a delightful and hassle-free experience.